Hello, welcome to our channel. I hope you guys doing well. Today we are going to learn about cloud. The term cloud, what does it mean, and their diagram, and also advantages and disadvantages of cloud. Let's begin. Introduction to cloud. The term cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and databases that run on those servers. Cloud servers are located in the data centers all over the world. By using cloud computing, users and companies do not have to manage physical servers themselves or run software application on their own machine. Here we are going to see the cloud diagram. Here we can clearly see the user, they can easily accessing cloud via internet. Inside cloud we can show three applications and databases which we are required. If we are going to see how we are generally using cloud, then the best example is WhatsApp. Our chats are stored into the cloud, not inside our phone. Advantages of cloud: backup and restore data, improved collaboration, excellent accessibility, low maintenance cost, mobility, service in pay-per-use, unlimited storage capacity, data security. Disadvantages of cloud: internet connectivity, vendor lock-in, limited control flexibility, security privacy, cost concern, vulnerability to attack, downtime. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button, share it with a friend so that he can benefit as well, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about other topics, check out our playlist. Thank you.